Hello guys, I'm Penny. I'm doing unboxing video of two games. First one is Beyond, another one is Heavy Rain. I've actually unboxed it, so just doing it again in order to show what it contains. Here you can see it's 1 to 2 player. 2 GB minimum requirement and 6 axis and DualShock 3 vibration. Let's see what's inside. It's made by Contact Dream, the developer that made Heavy Rain 2, and here's the manual. And here's the game disc itself. Sorry for little bad resolution, my camera is acting awkward. It's getting blurred. And this is Heavy Rain. It only requires 12 MB space. However, it requires 1 GB after that Move Edition game, so this information given is wrong. Here's the game manual, and here's the game disc itself. Thanks for watching guys. If you like it, please hit like button. Peace.